Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how to create this 2D detailed drawing in AutoCAD. So don't worry, I will explain each step in simple words. So even if you are a beginner or just start your AutoCAD training, you will be able to follow along easily. And don't forget the download PDF of this exercise link in the description box so you can practice along. So let's get started. Step 1. Set up the drawing space. Open your AutoCAD and start a new drawing. Set the unit millimeter using UNITS units command. Press enter and selecting millimeter from the drop down. Press OK. Turn out the grid for easier alignment and pressing F7 or enabling it from the bottom of status bar. Now step 2. Draw the outer rectangle. As you see in this picture, there is the outer rectangle. Now we are going to create this one. So use rectangle command using REC is a shortcut of rectangle. Press enter. Click on start point and enter the dimension using D. Enter. Put a value as a 32. Enter. 32 as a width and 8.5 as a height. Press enter. Draw the similar two circle on the left and right. As you see in this picture, there is a circle, first circle and second circle. Diameter will be 2 and from this point right side it will be 3 and upside it also will be 3. So now press C for circle command. Click on this corner diameter using D. Enter. Put a value 2. Press enter. Use move command using M. Enter. L for last object. Enter. Click on your screen and put a right side as a 3. Again M for move, L for last object, enter. Click on your screen, upside it will be 3. Now again create this same circle at opposite side. So select your circle, press command mirror using MI, enter. Click on center point and also click on midpoint of this rectangle. Press no. Now step 3. Add the rounded corner. As you see in this picture, so you can use this one as a fillet. So use the fillet command, press F, enter. Set the fillet radius 2. So press R, enter. 2 radius, press enter. Select your rectangle as a polyline. So P, enter and click off on your rectangle. Whenever you click, you see all the curves created successfully. Now step 5. Create the inner part. As you see in this picture, from here to here as a 28. So create a line, L for line, using 28, enter. Now select this line, M for move, click on midpoint, hold the control, right click, using from, click on this rectangular midpoint and downside it will be 1.5. Press enter. Now again L for line, click on left side endpoint and press the value as a 2, enter. Now again right side as a 3, enter, and also downside it will be 2, enter. Go on right side as a 4. Now we are going to create here as a fillet, if you see 0.5. okay, so now using F for fillet, R for radius, 0.5. Press enter. M for multiple times we are going to fillet. So if you zoom this one, first this one, second this one and third this one. Okay. Now step 6. Draw the triangular cut. So using L for line command, click on this point, press 2 as a line length, press tab and click of value of angle as a 30. Now upside create a line as a 1. Select this zigzag cut, CO for copy command, click on this point, A for array, number of item as a zigzag, 8, press 8, enter, click on this end point, press enter. Now zoom out, select these all the curves, this one, using MI for mirror, click on midpoint of this line, press no. So now this one, extend this line. Okay, if you see this picture, now here also one more curves. So using F for fillet, R for radius, 0.5 enter, M for multiple times, click on first line and second line. Again click on first line and second line. Now step 7 and verify all the dimension using the dimension command. So first select these all the object of your drawing, go to properties, put a line thickness as a 0.30. Now add your dimension. After you add your dimension, your drawing show just like that. Ensure your drawing match the reference dimension exactly. So that's all. Your exercise 13 drawing is complete. You can now download the PDF file in the description to compare your drawing to practice it again. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Tata, bye bye, take care.